Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these stainless hoop and lapis earrings. So first we're going to start out by attaching the lapis teardrop to the hoop. So to do this, we're just going to use a jump ring. This is an open jump ring, which means it has a slit in it. So you're just going to put your pliers on either side of the open part of the jump ring, and you're going to gently twist it open. I'm going to hold it in one hand and I'm going to attach my teardrop. And then I'm going to attach it to the stainless piece. And since I can't really hold this with the other pliers, I'm just going to hold the jump ring into place with the stainless piece and use my other plier to twist it into place. Kind of use the stainless piece as leverage. Next, I'm going to want to attach the rondelle. So I'm going to use the stainless 22 gauge wire. I've got about 1.5 inches. I'm going to go about 1/3 of the way down, and I'm going to bend it away from me so I create a 90-degree angle. Then I'm going to go in at the top and loop that around my pliers, making a little loop. And then I'm going to attach that to the stainless piece. And I'm going to hold it in the loop, and I'm going to coil it back around. And then I'm going to clip off the excess. Then I'm going to add on my rondelle bead. And I'm going to want to create my loop going facing this way so that when I attach the ear wire, it'll go like this. So I'm going to hold it here. My pliers right up against the bead, and I'm going to bend it to the side at a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to go in at the top, and I'm going to make my little loop at the top. And then I'm going to hold it in the loop, and I'm going to coil it back around. And I'm going to clip off the excess wire. And I'm going to take my ear wire. I'm going to twist it open at the bottom and attach the earring and twist it back into place. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.